Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Impala Premier. This vehicle has 45,791 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and 19-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a Bose premium audio system throughout the entire vehicle. We do have black with a tan lining leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now when it comes to the front, we do have our heated seating and our traction control right here, our Chevy MyLink radio, our standard cruise control, and our push to talk buttons right here. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.